This video is especially important if you're an XRP holder, because Binance just declined and suspended withdrawals of all XRP payments, meaning if you're trying to withdraw XRP onto another platform, you're not allowed. This is of course the first stage of them restricting XRP to retail as they expand it to only institutions. In fact, this comes only shortly after central banks, and I'm talking I think about 19 central banks, report the acquisition of over 9.4 billion euros worth in XRP during Q1 of 2024. Or it says here the fourth quarter of 2024, probably a typo, probably the fourth quarter of 2023. But the point is that this has been something that we've been reading all along. Here's another article also confirming this information titled 19 banks report exposure to XRP in total 9.4 billion investment position. All of this also shows us that XRP is getting places. In fact, just after this massive XRP price glitch, bringing the value of XRP to over $9,800, did we see Binance begin restricting XRP to retail and not allow them to withdraw their XRP. In fact, we even have a full video to where in another clip, XRP reached as high as $34,000 per XRP in real time on the private ledger for those central banks, with David Short saying that the public ledger will have the same value as the private ledger in the very near future. This causing multiple bankers and analysts to confirm an XRP price at over $102.47 by the end of 2024. Now, of course, before we get right into all this content that if you're an XRP holder you want to watch, we have to announce our XRP giveaway and tell you guys to make sure you tap that like button, subscribe to this channel with your post notifications on, and share this video. We're getting really close to 30,000 subscribers, so once that happens, I'll be rolling the giveaway winner, and the winner will get 1,000 free XRP. So of course, make sure you tap the like button, subscribe. You can do that on multiple accounts to get multiple entries. And of course, with that being said, let's get right into the video. Payments, starting by accepting XRP as a form of payment. Now, of course, this is one of the biggest things, and it shows us how XRP is really globalizing, and more importantly, why we are seeing the retail aspect being restricted for XRP and it only being set up for institutions. As we see the continuous growth of XRP and the large-scale partnerships of Liable Labs, more and more institutions have decided they want to accumulate XRP for different services, mostly services that include facilitating money through the XRP ledger. Stripe is one of those leading payment systems, kind of like Swift, and the fact that they have decided to utilize XRP emphasizes one clear thing, and that is XRP is going to have a lot of money flowing through it, and as a result, the price per XRP will rise. And so they do not want retail to actually gain any positivity or benefit from this, so they're trying to accumulate as much as they can, restricting it for retail and keeping it just for institutions. In fact, the fact that central banks have been continuously acquiring XRP also emphasizes that same exact theory. And for even more proof about this, data has revealed that XRP has been subjected to multiple market manipulation maneuvers by these large-scale institutions like BlackRock, JP Morgan, and Grayscale. In fact, just shortly after a $9 trillion asset manager for BlackRock announced that crypto is the new digital gold and that Bitcoin is an international asset, a report revealed that both BlackRock and JP Morgan had begun quietly accumulating XRP, with it rumored to be about 7.5% of their total net worth being in the actual XRP digital asset, or with the plan of expanding into that BlackRock asset. So basically, they put away 7.5% of their total wealth, expected to gradually continue to buy XRP to make sure it is about 7.5% of their portfolio. And this is actually one of the key reasons as to why multiple bankers and analysts, as well as top officials, have all confirmed one critical thing, and that is they expect XRP's value to gradually and exponentially surge very quickly. Banker confirms, in fact, that XRP could be over $102.47 by the end of 2024 due to the fact that they expect mass expansion for financial institutions to continuously accumulate XRP and then to begin using it for services. And we've seen this throughout the expansion of XRP, where we're now seeing central banks build on the XRP ledger and countries build their central bank digital currency on the ledger itself as well. So not only are we getting institutions facilitating through the ledger, but we're also getting institutions actually utilizing the ledger and building on it. And one of the biggest examples of this is the largest bank in the United States of America, officially revealing that they have a collaboration with Ripple and that they expect to begin using XRP in the very near future. And as we talk about that, we also have to understand the XRP ledger and the trillions of dollars that it is expected to facilitate. In fact, the XRP ledger stands to gain between $150 billion to around $5 trillion into it almost instantaneously when this massive partnership actually begins and the XRP ledger begins to actually facilitate the funds. And all of this is about to go into the DeFi portion of the XRP ledger, which has sparked a lot of discussion about a recent token, the CTF token, which is the largest and only DeFi token on the XRP ledger, potentially skyrocketing from 85 cents to $748.50 because it's the top and only DeFi token on the XRP ledger. In fact, Jack the Rippler, a prominent analyst on the XRPL with over 210,000 followers, has said that because the XRPL is about to experience one of the largest volumes of its history, this is where real utility comes in. He's mentioned at multiple occasions, he highlights that the CTF token is very special in that it is the top DeFi token on the XRPL. Not only that, but it also has the lowest supply of any token in the top 10 with only about 120 million tokens. Now, because there is a very low supply and a massive demand because of the money that is about to flow into the XRP ledger and into DeFi specifically on the ledger, the CTF token could almost instantaneously and very easily get about a $20 billion market capitalization, jumping from only 85 cents, which it currently is at, to a whopping $748.50 per CTF token. In fact, over the last couple days, CTF token has hit record highs, reaching the top #1 token on the Polygon chain for trending wise, and on the XRP ledger, continuing to break new resistance levels. And this is why we see very, very little resistance, yet very strong support, with a breakout pattern forming and a very likely situation that anytime we could see a massive breakup because of the extremely high demand that the CTF token is facing and the very low supply. That is all in addition to the fact that this token is extremely new in comparison to any other. For example, there's only about 2,400 holders, while when we compare it to XRP, for example, it has about 7 million holders. Also, when looking at the supply, it's very small, 120 million tokens. XRP has about 100 billion tokens. And really, when you put these into comparison, really CTF is very new. I mean, it's not listed on centralized exchanges, rather than when you look at XRP, which is everywhere. And even when you look at the price points, XRP is less than 52 cents with very slow growth, while CTF has shown that it could exponentially grow at any point and it could break out and make people rich at any second. Now, of course, as always, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, and you should always do your own research. But the point is that you should look into tokens specifically right now that are in the DeFi sector, and the XRP ledger is a critical player in the DeFi sector. So when I looked at tokens, I look at the XRP ledger and DeFi, and coincidentally, the CTF token fits all those categories, even being a low supply token. And with it only being at $1.75, it is literally dirt cheap in my opinion. And this is why, as you guys can see, I'm always following the charts, doing my research on it, and trying to accumulate whenever there's a dip so that I can take advantage when it actually does surge and skyrocket to potentially those highs that Jack the Rippler is saying, which is 700. Now, for me, even if it's 100, it's a massive win because when I'm accumulating at $1, but $750 is really wealth-making money. Now, for convenience, I will actually go ahead and link their website down below in the description, ctftoken.com. They are available on the Polygon chain and the XRP ledger. And so, as I told you guys, do your research, check it out. Of course, I've accumulated and I will continue to accumulate. I'm very bullish, but at the end of the day, everybody only invests what you're willing to lose because it is this crypto space, and you should always look into things and do your research before going ahead and investing into anything, even XRP itself. Alright guys, I'm going to be ending off the video here. If you guys did enjoy it, feel free to hit the thumbs up, as well as I'm hosting that massive giveaway. So hit that subscribe button, tap the like button, share this video, and as always, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, everything will be in the description, and peace.